good for this heat. Coming up now, the final race from the previous round. Unfortunately got rained out, so we're running it here tonight. Reverse direction at Slideways Go-Karting World. Liam Hyde's on the pole position. Olivia Herbison off second. Third will be Chad Hewitt. Fourth away, Alex Jacovides, Christian Bishop, Chloe Buck, and Daniel Connor rounding out the field. All is in readiness for a start. Ready for the start now. Green flag in the air. Liam Hyde's off the point. And they're away. Tight start there. Chad Hewitt having a good run at the back of Olivia Herbison as they head up the pitch straight for the first time.
A great start there by Chad Hewitt, but Alex Jacovides right up behind him, certainly not letting him get away this early in the race as they start to just spread out and find their own space a little bit there on the first lap, but it's all nice and clean so far.
Couple of races up the front there who represented Australia last weekend in Italy for the Saudi World Series in the juniors. Here in the open sprints tonight, 1 and 2 on the circuit as they go through this infield track. So it's Liam Hyde, Olivia Herbison, Chad Hewitt, Jacovides back there in fourth. And then it goes back to Bishop, Buck and Connor rounding out the 7 carts out there in the circuit in this rerun of the final from our last race event here at Slideways Go-Karting World. Tell you what, Olivia Herbison has not let Liam Hyde get away with this one. They're nose to tail as they head up back behind the workshop here in this second lap. Jacovides is right there in the back of Hewitt. So we've got 3 young guns out in front filling the podium placings at this stage. Hydes and Herbison nose to tail. Then Hewitt, Jacovides also nose to tail as they head up into the top corner one more time. Nothing in it, Dan. This is great racing here on a Friday night at Slideways Go-Karting World.
Yeah, absolutely. They're actually bumper to bumper there as they start to head around for lap number 3. But the fastest cart on track at the moment appears to be Olivia Herbison. So certainly not letting Liam get away. Got plenty of pace there. She got a good run up the straight last time. We'll see what she can do this time round. Not quite close enough to make a move.
This will be a good little hit out for these guys. They're hanging around for the sprint round later on this evening where we've got a full field of karts. And a lot of these guys backing up, running the other track direction. So it'll be a bit hard going reverse direction, back to normal direction, but it is absolutely on like Donkey Kong out front there. Liam Hyde's just holding off Olivia Herbison. Herbison close enough to strike. Those two are obviously race fit from all the miles they've been doing overseas in the last 7 days, and there is nothing between them as they tip it onto the pit straight one more time. Bit of a gap now back to Chad Hewitt, Jacovides and Christian Bishop there. Always comes in the hunt here, Christian Bishop, a staunch competitor here at Slideways, and he's always in the thick of the action as they head up behind the workshop one more time. Up past Redo, our race director out there, keeping an eagle eye on everything as they head on up to the far end of the circuit. This battle is absolutely on for the lead here, Dan.
Yeah, absolutely. No surprise, Olivia Herbison has the fastest lap of the race so far with a 40.443. So it's only a tenth quicker than Liam. Obviously, she caught a little bit of ground on that last lap, but she is certainly means business here tonight, that's for sure.
The young guns, Lana Stern out front. The 2 juniors who represented Australia last weekend in Italy here in the open sprints. This is open to everyone who qualifies for these karts who are over 145 centimetres, over 14 years old. You can be out here racing in this category, but it's the young guns doing the job at the moment. Liam Hyde still holding off Olivia Herbison. It's stretched out to about a cart length now. Then this great battle between Chad Hewitt, Jacovides and Christian Bishop there. Those 3 nose to tail as they head on down. A bit of a shake of the head there from Chad. He wasn't real happy. He got all crossed up there. He's under maximum attack at the moment.
He's got Alex right behind him. He makes a move up the inside and he got it done by the looks of things. Can he make it stick?
Yep.
It looks like he has.
Yep, Alex got the job done.
Chad got a little bit sideways here just before he came onto the main straight, and I think that's what ruined his momentum as he came up the straight, and Alex was there to pounce.
Absolutely, nice clean pass up there at the first and second corner. It's on still for the lead, Hydes and Herbison. Nose to tail as they come through this fishhook section. Nothing in it now. Olivia's made up that cart length that she lost on the last lap.
And it's just 0.18 of a second is all that separates the first two carts there between Liam Hydes and Olivia Herbison. So absolutely nothing in it, and got about 0.05 of a second is what also makes up the difference in their best lap times there too. So absolutely nothing in it as they're going toe to toe. But it looks like maybe Olivia might have made a little error in that lap and has allowed Liam a little bit of breathing space, just as we say how close they all are. It's also allowed Alex, he's currently the fastest man on track, to catch up to the front two. He's the first one into the 39s, and he's done it again 2 laps in a row, a 39.678. He's absolutely flying, so he's got a few laps to get it done.
And Christian Bishop there has also made the pass on Chad Hewitt, so Chad's dropped a couple of places there in that last lap. Alex Jakovides was definitely bottled up on Chad, and now that he's found some free air, he has got the pace to burn as he ranges up on the back of Olivia Herbison. Still out in front. Liam's now pulled it out to a couple car lengths. That's a one. But now Olivia coming under all sorts of pressure from Alex Jakovides as they tip it onto the pit straight one more time. Big gap back then to Christian Bishop. Next one through there, Chad Hewitt with himself. Chloe Buck's next one through. And Daniel Connor rounding out the 7 carts out there on circuit in this one.
Super consistent for Alex Jakovides as well. He's done 3 laps in a row in the 39s, with the last 2 in a row in the 39.6s. So super consistent. He's absolutely wringing that cart's neck trying to catch up to Olivia and Liam out in front, and they are bunched up, so this race is going to come down to the wire.
Absolutely nothing in it. Liam Hydes, Olivia Herbison and Alex Jakovides out in front. Nothing in it. Any of these 3 can take it. Olivia's right there now. She just played the waiting game, but she's really got some kart pace now. Just let the kart come back to her there as they head up behind the workshop. Nose to tail, 1, 2 and 3. That gap back to Christian Bishop in 4th. Then Chad Hewitt, young guns who we've seen do great things here in the juniors of late. He's out there doing a fantastic job in the Opens, currently in 5th position. But still on here, 1st, 2nd and 3rd, Hydes, Herbison and Jakovides. Nothing in it as we get ready for the last lap board to be prepared next time by maybe. So time is running out here for these 3. Big backfire as they lift off the gas up there into turns 1 and 2. Hyde still out. He's been there all race long. And he'll be hoping to stay there for not much longer as we've got the last lap board being prepared this time. So he's going to have to hold on for 1 and a bit circuits. Liam Hydes. Fantastic race. 1, 2, 3 out in front. Nothing covering them at this time. It's a visual gap.
Super close racing. They've got less than 14 turns left to go. And all 3 of those front carts are all in the 39s. A 39.859 for Hydes, a 39.869 for Herbison, and Jakovides still with a 39.64. Absolutely flying, these 3 carts out in front. Just a few corners left to go, and Herbison's looking very racy, looking like she's looking for a way to get past Hydes, but he's going to hold him off.
Here they come round the final turn. Liam Hydes with the win. Olivia Herbison 2nd. Alex Jakovides 3rd. 1, 2, 3. Nothing in it at the line. Christian Bishop comes across in 4th. 5th, Chad Hewitt. 6th, Chloe Buck. And Daniel Connor rounding out the finishes here of the final from the previous round here of the Slideways Open Sprint Series.